Hey, it's Rhett from Maserati Mods, and I'm so excited to tell you about this product enhancement we've made to our steering wheel that we've been offering for the last year. Of course, this is the same style of steering wheel that you'd find in a 2024 MC20 or GranTurismo. Includes the two dials that you see here. Um, However, we have added a push start button here. So this integrates with your keyless remote push start system that we sell here at Maserati Mods. We've got the blue button here, which is similar to what you'd find in Maseratis today, but you can also change that to red or black. So we're going to have different options for you to choose from. The dial on this side integrates wirelessly through this with your ODB2 system. So this is a ODB2 transmitter that plugs right into the port, and then it connects wirelessly, allows you to select different things to display here from your ODB2. And the steering wheel comes with everything you need, instructions in addition to the paddle shifters. We walk through how to safely remove the factory steering wheel, including the airbag, how to install the new paddle shifters, and then finally how to install the new steering wheel. Whole process only takes about an hour. So let's try this out for the first time. We are in ACC mode. The start button worked just like it was supposed to. That's off. And now let's fire her up. All right, everything works. You can see the ODB2's reading. Oh, this is so cool. This thing feels amazing. I think it's slightly smaller than the factory steering wheel, which makes it feel a little sportier to drive. I love it. And like I said, we're really excited about this product enhancement. Can't wait to get it into your hands. These new steering wheels are available at MaseratiMods.com.